to all who are present here. And today I'm very delighted and honored to be here today. And first of all, respected our chief guest, Dr. Tularam Rohan, and then chairman of today's celebration, Professor Rajiv Mohanpan, Vice Chancellor, Assam University, and then Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Sivajis Biswas, and we are very fortunate today to have in our midst Dr. Piyush Pandey, Director IQAC, and then Honorable Speaker of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Rajut Kisu, and my friend and member of Social Advisory Committee, MAC of Lumbajong Constituency, Mr. Johnny Timo, and then Dr. Anup Kumar Dey, all the faculty, students, and all honorable MACs and friends. And indeed, I'm happy to be the convener of Social Advisory Committee. We have been working in tandem with the university campus since 2016. It is the statutory body which was firstly formed when our former Vice Chancellor Dilip Nath was the Vice Chancellor. And then I'm very happy to be to have members with me, and like the KSA Karbi Student Association, and today the President Thang Sing Timu and his colleagues are here in our midst, and then the Karbi Student Association, Karbi Student Union, right from President, Secretary, and the advisor. We have been here working as a guardian, and we are trying to bring the educational atmosphere. We have stood in all the times when the campus required us, and especially when there was agitation and all, we try to solve it every problem, or we try to give the solution which are needed here. Say like sometimes we coordinate with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, we coordinate with the main campus, and wherever needed. We even went to Delhi for full-fledged university. And here I would like to bring to the knowledge of the Honorable Chief Executive Member. Today, though it is mentioned in the document, we have around 5 bighas of land. But in physical position, we don't have that much. But anyway, I thank on behalf of the committee, I thank him very much for allotting 6,000 bighas of land, because for a good university, we need a huge land like what we have given, it will be satisfied. And now we have to, what I feel is we have to cater, we have to mix up and with the local people like here today on like education. First of all, I would like to speak on education scenario here. We everyone know that the performance of education in district is not that good as it should be. So far, that is why what our Honorable PVs have already announced, that 5 departments are in the pipeline. Say like education, which is the most demanded department in the campus. And with that education department, what I request the department or the faculty, especially the Vice Chancellor, is that we have to do a research work. Practically, that what is the reason that we lack in education? We have to analyze, and that university will do that, and with that we can work accordingly. And the second is the economy, to uplift the economy of the district, to generate revenue, to generate employment. For that we need the Department of Economics. So here already, though I have seen the department, they have been working, but we need to accelerate them because we have to bring up the economy. So this is the need of the hour, which I request the economic department. Though it is in that pipeline, I would request the Honorable Vice Chancellor and the Pro Vice Chancellor to work in that field. And the second is that the life science. It is here, no doubt, when Dr. Tamuli and Dr. Robindro had been working on that, like we have to preserve some precious, valuable plants or of precious values or of medicinal values that can be generated in or to boost our economy and to preserve, since our people here do not know that what is the value of those trees which we have or the plants we have, which can be used to boost up our economy. This is the need of the hour. And in regard to history department, I have seen Dr. Huli has been working very much, and like we have to write our history. Since Karbi has passed our history orally down from generation, and that has to be documented. So far we haven't, though we know that we ourselves, we identify ourselves as a separate, we have a true identity. But we don't have history, we don't have written or improved history. So that we have to work on that also. So we have a lot to do. So I'm very much happy that the 5 departments, which include economics, education, mass communication, this is the need, demand of the day, and then environment and forest, ecology, I mean to say, and then self-generate, that can be generate employment like tourism and hotel management. So I'm very much thankful for that. I especially thank the present Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Rajiv Mohan Pant, for taking such a step. And then now we would like to, on behalf of the Social Development Committee, would like to request all the staff and the council to cooperate so that we work for the development of our university. That is all. I conclude my speech. Thank you.